everybody, welcome back to another video about Bittorrent token. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the currently live price of the BTT token. What's the price changes occur in the Bittorrent token. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video I want to request everybody to please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. I hope you all subscribe my channel. So guys, in this video I'm talking about the price of the BTT will increase more or not. That is the questions of a lot of holders ask me. So guys, now let me know more about BTT token. Let's do a technical analysis for more updates. Now guys, the currently live price of the Bittorrent token is 0.00432 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Bittorrent token. And furthermore, if we talk about the changes you can see here that the last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day change is negative, and last 1 week changes occur in the Bittorrent token is positive. Absolutely really good changes occur in the BTT token, but only the last 1 day changes is negative. So that's not mean then you decide to sell. No guys, no, don't do this mistake. Just hold to the last of August month. My friends, only 10 days remaining in the August, and really guys, these 10 days is a profitable days only in the market. Oh my god, you can see here my friends, now it's clear from BTT token holders that BTT token is taken a quick jump and now they are in the quick jump mode. Guys, my prediction, my technical analysis is going positive because I believe that after a falls there is a jump. And now you can see here my friends, at this time the price of the BTT token falls down, and now at this time in the latest situation the price have to take a jump. And if the price take a jump, so absolutely the price will increase. So that's clear that on the upcoming days the price will increase. So please guys, just hold to the last of August. I hope guys you get profit, not loss. That's my prediction, that's my recommendation for all of you. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.